Hey, Michael James here. Okay, time for another popular Scrum question answered. This one's about scaling Scrum. And the question is, when it comes to scaling Scrum for big projects that need several Scrum teams, which of the following assumptions are the most accurate? Choose two. And it's always important to read these questions carefully. In this one, we're choosing two. So we have a person focusing on the sprint backlog of a single Scrum team is often more productive than the same person working on multiple teams at the same time. B is a well-structured product backlog can minimize and often eliminate development team members working on multiple Scrum teams during a sprint. And C, team members must work full-time on a Scrum team. And D, customizing the core Scrum framework is necessary to be successful with Scrum at large scale. Now, a couple of things here. It mentions development team. That was changed in the latest Scrum guide because they don't want to see the development team as separate from the Scrum team. So that terminology was changed. This is how you know it's an older question. However, the principle still remains. So what I want you to do is I want you to have a go in the comments and put down which two you think are the correct answers for this one and your reasons why. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and answer this question in the next video, which you'll be able to find in a link in the description of this video. This gives you a chance to have a go and answer it. Put your answers in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video for my breakdown of what the correct answer is. Thanks for watching. I'm Michael James. Check out my Scrum courses on Udemy and Learn Management Online. I've got 125,000 happy customers, students that have passed their Scrum certifications first time with my Scrum and Product Owner courses. So you can check them out there, and there'll be a discount in the description of this video as well. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.